The start of the ensemble was 7 years ago in a school, and the idea was based on close communication with close friends, particularly with composers or other musicians. And this, I think, led to the very natural to the name of the ensemble as SYNAESTHESIS, which means a lot of things gathering together. And second meaning, I think it could be that our musicians as a bold and brave, so they can, suggest things. Composers can suggest, create, and these two meanings are too basic, which is bold and brave, and gather things together from various corners, I would say.
So one of the features of our success, we all believe, lies in the fact that we all are players who play not only exclusively contemporary music, but almost all of the musicians, they have classical projects. Some of them works in orchestras, and we think that really seeing the full view of musical heritage and seeing different practices and then matching them to take contemporary aspects to classical music and vice versa. We really believe that it makes our performances and our point of view towards music quite fresh and relatable to audiences, not only to some exclusive members who likes contemporary music. Forest, sound ecology is a very important project to us because it's marking a new way of working, and we not only inviting composers to write new pieces for us, but we also suggesting a theme or a concept that we invite them to research together with the ensemble. This time we made an open call that really invited composers to think about sound ecology practices combining chamber music ensemble. We were very happy to receive a lot of interest and a lot of applications from composers, and in the end we selected 4 composers whose previous work as well as the idea for the project were most interesting for us.
This project was absolutely great example of very ancient tradition and still very at the margins, but at the same time at the very core of the ensemble from the very beginning to work with a composer, which was in previous centuries too basic and the fundamental idea of how to create music and how to play. So we don't play just established pieces related with some kind of idea, in this case ecology, sound, forest and nature and everything, but we developed, and we actually did the same thing which was being done centuries ago, and that's what keeps music alive and musical practices alive still.
So SYNAESTHESIS, each time with each project and in which each season, we're really trying to see what is happening in the international scene, as well as how programming is happening, how festivals are working, how other art forms also developing. And I think the thing what I would agree that we really not necessarily form a new way of working, but we really strive to do so, is because we really want to be part of cultural dialogue that would be very much based into listening of what is happening around us and really developing something new.